Hello everyone. Today we're going to compare three powerful social media management tools, Buffer, Metricool, and Publer. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which one suits your needs best. Starting with Buffer. Buffer is a versatile tool that allows you to manage multiple social media accounts from one dashboard. You can create and schedule posts for future uploads, and its auto-publishing feature ensures timely content delivery. Buffer also offers a queue feature, organizing and uploading posts according to your set schedule. It provides valuable insights by converting post reactions into numerical values, helping you gauge your content's popularity across platforms. Buffer offers a free trial so you can test its capabilities before committing. Key features of Buffer include publishing, analytics, engagement, start page. Now let's move on to Metricool. Metricool is a comprehensive tool for measuring your social media content and online ad campaigns. It gathers statistics from various sources, allowing you to compare and analyze your performance against competitors. You can optimize your content strategy based on audience response levels and create professional-looking reports with Metricool's automated report system. It offers real-time insights into audience interactions, such as measuring the impact of Twitter hashtags on your campaigns. Metricool is optimized for performance across multiple devices, making it ideal for marketing agencies and community managers. Key features of Metricool include analytics, inbox, planning, smart links, and ads accounts. Lastly, let's discuss Publer. Publer is a robust social media management platform designed for individuals and companies to engage with their audience effectively. It supports various social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google My Business, and YouTube. With Publer's Instagram post scheduler, you can schedule single photos and videos, tag locations, and add the first comment. It offers features like bulk uploading and team collaboration, allowing you to manage multiple accounts efficiently. Publer provides performance metrics to track your post's reach and engagement across networks. Key features of Publer include automated publishing, multi-account management, bulk publishing, post preview, analytics. In conclusion, each tool offers unique features and benefits. Buffer is great for straightforward scheduling and analytics. Metricool excels in comprehensive analytics and reporting, while Publer is ideal for managing multiple accounts with advanced scheduling options and team collaboration. Choose the one that aligns best with your social media management needs and workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link in the description to try Publer, Metricool, and Buffer for free.